Welcome down to Hyperia. Yes, it's closed. It's still closed. The park have released that it's not going to be quite ready for the 8th of June, but I have to say, I think the work that's been undergone is successful because the crane's now gone, which is good news. I don't think it'll be too far away. And whilst disappointing, I'm telling you now, it's worth the wait. It's going to be worth the wait. Work continues actually on little bits and pieces. They're doing some work in the shop. I'll show you around the shop in a minute as well. Just to kind of show you some of the merchandise and some of the new merchandise that's been added since we were here on opening day. And whilst we can't wait to get back on it, we can wait. We can wait. But here's the state of it now. So let's get some close-ups. They're working at the top of the hill. They're working at the bottom here as well. There's a lot going on to get the ride back open as soon as possible. Obviously the crane has been in for a couple of days. The chain was lifted up. It would seem like it's a mechanism that was replaced, but people are still working at the top of Hyperia. But there is quite a lot of action down here as well. Quite a few engineers walking around site. Now we know yesterday the chain, I believe, had started to move again. No sign of movement today, but rest assured, not only are they working on sort of the ride, they are doing some of the landscaping as well. We can see over the back here, more landscaping ongoing, getting the area sort of finishing touches for when it does finally reopen. Cody made me take a picture of this and get it printed and put it on our bathroom door. That's a bit of useless information for you, but as you can see, they are working on it. It seems like the main replacement part is in place. The fact the crane's gone. The crane's definitely not over here. We can see from this angle. The chain's not moving today. We know it was sort of seen yesterday moving. But yeah, the idea of this is we'll just show the site as it is. I think it will start coming together really quickly. I think this time next week it will probably be open. Whilst we're here at Hyperia, we're going to check out some of the merch, because some of it actually is new since we were last here. And we didn't really get a chance either to look at some of the branding where it's been so busy, but something they are shouting about is Europe's tallest inversion at 165 feet high. So not just looking at UK records, we're looking at more. What we said about the pin badges with the pink. This top wasn't here when we last come. Love this. This is really nice. These are £55. All through front, clear on the back, and neither was this one. This one's really nice as well. Got little sparkles in it. £33. But you've got different colours as well. So we've got the pink matching with the pink socks and badge. You've got the blue as well. You've got kind of the clear colour again with the lanyard. Grey. It's really good actually the way they mix the colours. Love it, absolutely love it. You can get your Hyperia hat, your little teddy bear, obviously your cup, notebooks. There's lots of notepads. I like this one. This one's my favourite. Although shot glasses, notepad wise, this one's rather nice. I'm not sure. And again, you can get a whole themed colour. I love the way they've done it in different colours, so you can have a whole collection, which is really cool, really cool. This is a t-shirt I bought, just to let you know if you're buying one. The size has come up massive. You can try it on. This one wasn't here, I don't think, last time I came. This is new for this year in terms of what the park are actually doing. There's one for Swarm and Stealth as well. You can get the gold colour. And then you can actually get a keychain with all the colours on. Mystery pins. You can buy larger wings. You can hear as well the music in the background. Loving the music. It's a good selection. Bearing in mind the park is busy today. Not many people are venturing down here. There we have it, update from Hyperia and a look around the shop. Now, since we left the park, Hyperia has been testing, train back on track, and it is going round. So I would guess, as we said in the update, that if testing goes well, we will see the coaster back up probably Monday, Tuesday. Would be my guess if testing goes well. And I think we'll be back to normal, reopening of Hyperia. Not long away, but some really, really cool stuff in the shop. So keep an eye out for that when you go.